Welcome to RouteMagic, the comprehensive solution for managing field operations and distribution. This detailed video guide will clearly explain every feature of the RouteMagic mobile application, covering initial setup, daily usage, and all functionalities to optimize your business logistics, sales, and customer service. Whether you're a sales representative or part of the back office, you'll learn step-by-step how to use the RouteMagic mobile app efficiently. Let's get started. Logging into the mobile app. The login screen is the first screen that appears when opening the RouteMagic mobile app. It is designed to provide a secure and easy way for field representatives to access their accounts. Elements on the login screen. Username field. The sales representative must enter their unique username provided by the back office. Password field. The corresponding password must be entered. The field is masked for security. Client ID field, the sales representative must enter the correct client ID, tenant name, assigned to their company. Login button. Once credentials are entered, tapping this button logs the user into the system and directs them to the dashboard screen. Forgot password. If the sales representative forgets their password, they can tap this option to receive password reset instructions via email. Register button. For first-time users, this option allows them to create an account, if enabled by the back office, where they enter the invite code and the tenant name. Route selection screen. After logging in, the sales representative is directed to the route selection screen, which allows them to choose the assigned route for the day. Elements on the route selection screen. Sales representative. Name displays the name of the logged-in user. Refresh button allows refreshing the route list if any new assignments have been made by the back office. Route number drop-down displays the available routes assigned to the sales representative. They can tap this drop-down to select the correct route for the day. Date field shows the scheduled date for the selected route. Last route completion timestamp displays the last completed route's date and time for reference. Download today's route button fetches all details related to the selected route, including customer visits, delivery locations, outstanding payments, product orders. Incremental download button updates only the changes made to the route instead of downloading the entire dataset again. This is useful for quick updates on new or modified customer stops, avoiding unnecessary data downloads. Change language button allows the sales representative to switch the app interface to another language. Log out button logs the user out of the application. Dashboard screen. Once the route is downloaded, the sales representative is directed to the dashboard screen, which provides access to key functions that guide the workflow for the day. Elements on the dashboard screen. Sales representative. Name and route information displays the user's name, assigned route, and date. Menu button, 3 horizontal lines, opens the main menu for additional features and settings. Main action tiles. Vehicle inspection ensures the van is roadworthy before starting deliveries. Load stock allows adding or confirming inventory before heading out. Service customers begins the process of visiting scheduled customers. Unload vehicle logs any remaining stock at the end of the day. Cash deposit records and submits collected payments. End of day completes the route and generates reports. Complete route button ends the day's tasks once all steps are completed. Vehicle inspection screen. The vehicle inspection screen ensures that the sales representative's vehicle is roadworthy and stocked correctly before departing for deliveries. Elements on the vehicle inspection screen. Oil, water, fuel, okay? Radio button selection, yes, no, to confirm fluid levels are adequate. Service engine light off toggle indicates if the check engine light is off. Brakes okay toggle confirms that brakes are functional. Fuel level % field allows entry of the exact fuel percentage. Wipers and washers, OK toggle ensures windshield cleaning systems are operational. Any bodywork issues toggle field representatives can mark if there are visible damages. Other comments field free text entry for any additional observations. Van temperature field allows entry of vehicle temperature, useful for perishable goods transport. Tires and wheels, OK toggle, confirms tire and wheel conditions. Signature box requires field representatives to digitally sign off on the inspection. Confirm button submits the inspection and notifies the back office of any issues. All these questions are pre-configured by RouteMagic but are fully customizable by each business and can be tailored as per the requirement. How it works. The sales representative fills out the checklist by toggling each option or entering values where required. If an issue is identified, they can enter details in the comments section. If necessary, a photo can be uploaded for proof of bodywork issues. The digital signature is required before submitting. Tapping Confirm finalizes the inspection and updates the system. A tick mark then appears on the Vehicle Inspection tab in the dashboard. Once the vehicle inspection is submitted only, then the other windows become accessible. Without completing vehicle inspection, remaining windows tab cannot be operated/available to use. Load Stock Screen. The Load Stock screen is used to manage the loading of products onto the sales representative's vehicle before starting deliveries. Load Stock Process. Depending on back-office settings, the loading can be manual or preloaded by warehouse staff. Elements on the Load Stock screen. Loaded Items Counter. Displays the total number of items currently loaded onto the vehicle in real time as items are added. Total Weight Indicator. Shows the cumulative weight of all loaded products, helping ensure the vehicle is not overloaded. Weight Lock icon, red padlock. Appears when weight restrictions are enabled. If the limit is reached, the system prevents further loading. Manual load button, add symbol. Allows sales representatives to manually add stock items. This is especially useful when they are responsible for loading themselves instead of relying on warehouse preloaded stock. Show Pending Load Orders toggle. When turned on, it filters and displays only those load orders that have not yet been fulfilled, helping the rep focus on what still needs to be loaded. Preloaded indicator, tick mark on dashboard. If the vehicle is preloaded by the warehouse, a green tick appears next to the Load Stock section on the app dashboard, signaling no further action is required. Print button. Enables printing or exporting of the load summary for record-keeping, warehouse coordination, or driver reference. Real-time weight tracking and restriction. As products are added manually, the system dynamically calculates weight. If restrictions are active, the system blocks loading beyond the allowed threshold. Automatic display of pending loads. For reps managing their own loading, the screen automatically populates with pending load orders, enabling seamless loading and tracking.